Puppet salam alaikum. I said puppet salam alaikum. Hey, my puppet brothers and sisters. How y'all doing? I want to thank y'all for bringing me here to this Puppet Panther party. Most importantly, we gotta give some assalamu puppet salam alaikum to all puppets, honorable maha puppet. Can I get a puppet salam alaikum? Puppet salam alaikum. As you know, it's me, Sister E. Can everybody say assalam, puppet salam? To Sister E. To Sister E. Now, y'all know why we here. That's why I listen to the silence. Y'all know why we are here. So we're gonna say it together. Puppets lives matter. Puppets lives matter. We're gonna sing it. Puppets lives matter. We're gonna get it from the inside of our throats into our esophagus. Puppet salam alaikum.